Hi guys, today I have a nice BMW that has a good sized dent in it, and we're going to take it out for this lady, and she's going to be another happy customer. Thanks for watching. That's good. So what I'm doing here is there's pressure and ridges that have to be knocked down. That's the reason why dents don't just pop out. We had a dent here that somebody could grab maybe with a big suction cup and pull it out, but if it pops out, it's going to pop back in because of the pressure that's being held from the ridges that is holding the dent in. And what I'm doing now is, after I've pulled it, I'm actually releasing the rest of the pressure by bringing up those ridges. Thank you, and we'll show you a finished product here shortly. Another finished product. Customer's gonna love it. Have a great day.